we're going to make bootie. Okay, you have to have one ball of yarn, 8 hours. This is Bernard Mystical. So leave 12 inches. You will need to sew back of your shoes with this yarn. Okay, so we leave 12 inches and we make 8 chain. As usual, you make not too tight, not too loose, because it's not blanket. Should be tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you work 8 rows. 8 rows, okay, with a knit stitch. And I work here as because it's not blanket. I do not skip the stitch. I keep going to make those rows. Little bit noise outside because it's I'm outside on my backyard and it's close to the road. I'm not living in a forest that is quiet. I wish. The car go all the time, but outside it's so nice. It's about 80 degrees, and the sun even more. You can get suntan, which is I don't like it. When you're young you do suntan, when you're old you don't do it anymore. Couple more rows and we're gonna be. This is very quick. How we count rows? I count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need one more row. Okay, I think we need 2 more rows. Aye. Air conditioning, I forgot about that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we need to decrease by 2. I go fold in a half and make 1 stitch, then continue knit and fold this 2 in a half and knit 1 stitch. Now we got decrease and we're gonna knit 3 more rows of those 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2 rows, so 2 more rows. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, full. So we have 4 rows almost. We cut long string, about feet to 3 feet maybe. If we need more, we'll later attach another piece because it's hard to pull it. Now we need to close this. This we need to close. As you close pumpkin and everything inside, you see this is go. If you go inside here, does not work. Inside, that's why if you do the longest one, it's hard to close. Inside, this is gonna be front of your bootie. Inside and out. Inside and out. Inside and out. Inside and out. Fold it, and this is gonna be your bootie. Remember, we decrease here, so until this decrease, you need to sewing them. We sewing like this. We put inside of the stitch, crisscross, and sewing. Crisscross, and sewing. Crisscross and sewing. I'm in front of camera, that's why it's shaking, because I'm pulling long tail. This will be, I think, the last one. So I pick the back loop. I pick the back loop. This is gonna be your front. Get out! Look at her. See? And now we have to sewing back of the shoes over here. You see? Same way. You pull here. What do you want? And like this. Loop inside, out, inside. That's why I told you leave 12 inches, 1 foot, and was enough. It was enough to close, see? And next. And next. And next. Inside. And you tucking inside, making another tie, and then cut it. I cut later, it doesn't matter right now. Then you have bootie. What do you do next? Next, we leave this piece to tie it up. We get another piece, you see, and over here start. I leave that piece for tie the bow, okay? And this gonna be tied the bow. So I pull the chain, and I pull another chain, and I slip stitch as you do it with the blanket, okay? And again, maybe I pull the other stitch, this one, and I think it doesn't matter, but they will be taller. I like taller because I did short one and they kind of cold my legs, but when taller, they're just perfect. Remember, they're not for outside unless you put some leather in here. They're just inside, sitting on the couch with warm legs, okay? That's what it is. That's not for outside. And you slip stitches around like this. Oi. And you still slip stitching, and you do another one side. I told you it's so easy, and I'm not making fast video because it's short anyway. I will download right now and you can have it. Okay, slip stitch, slip stitch. I think next I'm gonna design higher booty, but for now it's enough like this booty. What do you think? What do you think? Now we cut this, we pull here, and we have two of them. Oh my goodness, yes, I didn't think about it. Okay, so one we have to tie it up and cut it. Oop. And it will be cut and hide inside. And we tied it up here and here. And you can make it knots or you can cut short. It's up to you. I'm gonna cut more shorter. Oh, you see, and you have your boot complete. Same way do second one. Do you want me to try? I can try for you any legs, okay? Because it's go for any legs. Okay, this is this is my booty, very comfortable, and also you can turn them inside out. You know, this is like a knit stitch, the other like a purse stitch. You can do with a purse stitch, you know what I mean, sewing them the other way. Okay, thank you for watching.